Lesson 2. Vision. Have you ever wondered why some people always know what they want and move confidently toward their goals, while others wander through life, controlled by circumstances? The secret lies in having a powerful vision for your life. Today we'll explore Lesson 2 from Peter Daniels' program, Destiny of the Third Millennium. A lesson that will teach you how to create a personal vision capable of transforming your destiny. Introduction. What is vision and why it matters? Vision is the map of your future. It shows you the direction, helps you stay on course, and keeps your motivation alive. Without a clear vision, your dream remains abstract. Your energy is scattered. People with strong vision act with purpose, make better decisions, and stay focused even under pressure. Vision isn't just a goal. It's an emotional picture of the future that inspires you every single day. Do you know what you want 5 or 10 years from now? If not, this lesson will become your guide. Core ideas of the lesson. 1. Vision builds inner strength. When you see your ultimate goal, your subconscious mind begins to look for the path to achieve it. People without vision react to life instead of creating it. A clear vision gives you control, confidence, and discipline. Clarity and detail. Your vision must be specific. What you exactly want, when, and how. The more vivid the details, the easier it is for your brain to guide your decisions. Example, not just, I want a successful career, but in 5 years, I'm leading a major project, working with a 10-person team, and earning enough to live with total freedom. Emotional involvement. Your vision must move you emotionally. It should evoke excitement, joy, and pride. Emotions create internal motivation, the force that keeps you going on difficult days. Example, imagine celebrating your first big success, feeling pride, gratitude, and confidence. Visualization of the future. See yourself already living that dream. What's around you, who's with you, what you feel and hear. Write it down in as much detail as possible. Identify 3 small steps you can take today to start moving toward it. Repeat your visualization for 5 to 10 minutes every day. Example, if your goal is financial independence, visualize your lifestyle, your income, your clients, and projects. Step 1, create a budget plan and define your income sources. Powerful conclusion. Vision is the bridge between your dream and your destiny. It creates confidence, clarity, and unstoppable motivation. A clear, detailed, emotionally charged vision turns your dream into reality. Start today. Define your vision, write down your steps, and take action. If this lesson inspired you, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your vision in the comments below. Share this video with friends who want to take control of their destiny.